Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share this corn chaat or Makai no Chivdo recipe with you. This is a fun and easy recipe. You can make it in under 15 minutes. This is a gluten-free recipe that is rich in vitamin C, fiber and protein. So without further ado, let us look at the ingredients list. Let us take a look at the ingredients required for this recipe. We need about 350 grams of corn. I am using the frozen variety. Feel free to use fresh corn if you have access. 1 cup of milk. I am using whole milk. 2 green chilies. 1 red chili, also known as Kashmiri lal mirch. This is optional. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of Asefotida, salt to taste, and some oil. I am going to lightly crush this corn in a mixer. There we go. Our corn chaat, also known as Makai no Chivdo, is ready. You can garnish this with cilantro, or you can garnish this with coconut flakes, or both. I am going to garnish this with some coconut flakes. I really hope you like this recipe. Please do share your feedback in the comments section below, and please do like and subscribe to my channel to watch more fun recipes.